Hey you guys, it's Heather. I am hanging out in my bedroom because we're going to be unboxing a new DreamCloud mattress. So, if you haven't heard of DreamCloud, it's an amazing company. You can order your mattress online. They will ship it to your doorstep and you get incredible quality at great prices. Right now, DreamCloud is offering all of my readers an additional $200 off the DreamCloud mattress. So, if you click the links by this video, you can check it out. You can grab a new mattress and save $200 in the process. Plus, I'm gonna be showing you how it arrives like this on your doorstep, and then we're going to unbox it and have it all ready to go for tonight. So we're unboxing our DreamCloud right now. We are cutting through all the different layers so that it can start expanding. Woo! Alright, there you have it, our brand new DreamCloud mattress. This will actually continue to expand. You can see the pillow top that is on the top. It also has a hybrid memory foam core on the bottom. So there's a lot of great features about this mattress. You guys can click the link to check out the blog post I did with all of my favorite features. I hope that you guys will check it out. Don't forget you can save $200 right now on your very own DreamCloud mattress when you click the links in this video. I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.